Hey, it's me, Scotty, and the goal for today is to replace the save battery in Link's Awakening. So to give you a little background, before writable memory cards, there were save batteries. After your console was turned off, the save batteries would continue to run and basically run a circuit that remembers your progress. Now, some games got around this by allowing you to write down a password and enter it to come back to where you left off. Super Mario Bros. On the NES had warp pipes that allowed you to warp to different worlds and catch up to where you left off. But unfortunately, these batteries do eventually run dry. And in my case, I was completely unable to play the game. So hopefully this will fix the problem. Now, there are much better video tutorials out there. This is kind of just showing you my process. I'm full disclosure, I'm trying this for the first time, so we're gonna see how it goes. But basically, I'm gonna have to desolder this old battery that has run dry and replace it with a brand new one. There. Oh, I had it. Oh, okay, I got one side. Yes! Huh! I got it! Alright, that's the old battery. How does it look? Did I damage anything? Maybe. Hopefully not. Gonna go on. Let's try it again. Okay. Whoa. That's a lot of solder. Okay. There. Maybe it's too hot. Turn it down. Okay. I don't know if that's enough, but we're gonna try. Just lightly press down like this. Maybe there's already enough. I just need to spread it around. Ooh. How's that? Ooh, yes. Yes. Progress has been made. Okay. How's that? It looks a little ugly, not gonna lie. But if this holds, which I think it does, we might be ready to test it out. Alright. Got my Game Boy Color. Swap out Tetris, swap in Zelda, turn it on. Oh, it's working! It's working! What a relief, Marin. It's working. And there it is. There's my save file. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it worked. This is by no means a tutorial video. If anything, just to show that it can be done quite easily with minimal soldering experience, in my case. But now I can finally finish Link's Awakening after having to restart. Good luck.